Hi my friends, this is Ian again at Buildabizonline. In this video I want to teach you how to clear your cookies. Now, why might you need to do that? Well, some people have a problem logging in, and then when they've logged in they click on this link, add edit, or any of the others, and when they click on it, it takes them to the login page again. Some people, since we've altered these banners in the promotional stuff, cannot see them because we've had to alter the coding so they can't see these banners. Okay, and another thing somebody told me about, let me just test this because I've just thought about this. Now then, let me go to my autoresponder, and I'm going to go into the campaigns. And I'm going to do monkey. There's monkey. Well, let's do monkey one. That was a test. Monkey one. Okay, so I'm going to click create a campaign, and then I'm going to click, or am I going to click? I'm going to click, let's have a look, come down here, and I'm going to go to monkey one, and I'm going to change the template. And I think this person said they changed it for, what was it now? Let's have a look. The blank template. Let's have a look. Because I want to know if this is not working. Okay. Right. Now, the next thing this person did, I believe, was go to the campaigns again, come all the way down, choose this one, and then go to settings on the correct one. And then I think they wanted, do you wish to show the telephone number? And the answer to that is yes, I do. So I am going to go all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to click. Now, wait a minute. I'll tell you what I'm going to do before that. I'm going to open up. Let's have a look. I'm going to have a look at this. Okay. So I haven't added no content. You can see that I haven't added no content. Okay. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go to the settings on Monkey One. And I'm going to click, yes, I do. I do want to collect somebody's telephone number. So I'm going to click on there. And lo and behold, I come over here and it's not showing the telephone number. But if I clear cookies or do another thing, refresh, we can see the phone number. So that we have to refresh. Now, if that didn't work, refreshing, that's the refresh button just there. Or you can go over the top and you can click reload. If that didn't work, after you've made changes, let me just do another few changes. I'm going to copy that. You know why? Because I can copy. And also there's a gap there too big. Bunk. Come here. Okay, let's just click in there and click that. That'll do it. That's sorted that out. So let me just now, I'm just going to add this underneath. Just because we can. Just as a test. And then I'm going to click. You can either click, guys, you can either click there, save, or you can go all the way down to the bottom and click update the settings. I tend to use that one for some reason. And then lo and behold, you come over it and it hasn't changed. So what do you need to do? You need to refresh. Okay. Now that would be a mess of a splash page, but you get the idea. You need to keep refreshing this. And if that don't work, you need to clear your cookies. So let's get on to this clearing cookies business. How do you do it? This is how you do it. In Chrome, you go to these three dots down here and you click on more tools. Okay, you hover over more tools and then you click clear your browser history. Now, depending what you want to clear, let's just say it's an image that you're having problems with. It won't show properly. So just unselect those and then click clear your data. Okay, and then go back to whatever, wherever the page is, and click refresh, and you should see that image. Now, let us say, let's close that down. Well, we'll go here. Well, let's do the three dots again. Come on. And then more tools, can you remember? Clear your browser data. And then there's the other ones, cookies and other site data. Now, cookies, I'll just explain. I'm not going to delete these because I don't need to. But what I'm saying is cookies they are a pain, but they're also good. They're a pain because sometimes your PC remembers something from before, but you want the new. You want to see the new changes. Okay, so you might need to clear your cookies. Your history is the same. It remembers your old settings, but you want to see the new settings. So sometimes our PCs, it's like glue, it sticks like glue, these cookies in the history. So what you would do is clear the data by clicking on there. And that is how you clear your cookies and your history. If you're having problems with anything on Buildabizonline, please do this first. Clear your cookies, your history, and if possible, even your images. I do all three when I'm cleaning mine, okay? But I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to do that myself. But what I do need to do is to come over here into here because I've spotted that these images for the banner, whoops, that banner URL there, should be HTTPS. So I'm going to alter that now in the code. Okay, so that's how to clear your cookies and history if you're having any problems. Okay, my friends. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. And please subscribe to these videos here because I'm making tutorial videos all the time. And sometimes I don't get time to add them to the training videos here. But if you were to go over to the Buildabizonline YouTube channel and subscribe, as soon as I've made a training video, you will get a notification. Okay? So please do that for me. And it is a secondary way that I can contact everybody if the site goes down as well. Okay? So please do that. Subscribe to all the videos. You can like or dislike the videos. Shall I show you how to do that? Let me just show you how to do that. If we come over to Buildabizonline now to our channel, I've just created that on how to make money with ClickBank. Now, what you need to do, you need to click on that to subscribe. Okay. And then you can either like what you've heard or dislike. If you like it, add a comment. If you dislike it, add a comment. But try to keep it constructive. Okay, my friends? Try to keep it constructive because I can only work with people that have got constructive criticisms, not nastiness. I can't work with people like that. Okay, my friends, so that's how to clear your cookies, and I've even taught you how to subscribe to our channel and also like or dislike our videos and also how to comment. So thanks for listening. Bye for now, my friends. I'm going to upload this video now to our channel. Bye.